This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off restricted mode on the TikTok app. I will be using an Apple iPhone SE for this tutorial, but this should work very similarly on other devices. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. Okay, I'm on my iPhone now. First thing you need to do is tap on the TikTok app. Select that. Then the next thing you need to do is type on the profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Tap on that. Then you will tap on the Bar Hamburger Menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you'll scroll down to where you see the content and activity section, and you want to go down to where it says Digital Wellbeing. As you can see here, I have my restricted mode turned off. To turn it on, you want to tap on restricted mode, and then you will tap on the red box on the lower half. You want to tap on turn on restricted mode. Then it asks you to set a passcode. It's a 4-number passcode, so type in your passcode. Then you'll tap on the red arrow. Then it asks you to confirm your passcode. So type in the same passcode that you had just typed in. Tap on the red arrow. Now restricted mode has been turned on. And to turn it off, I'm going to go all the way back out. You just follow the same steps. I'm going to tap on my profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then I will tap on the Bar Hamburger Menu in the upper right hand corner. Then I'll scroll down to the content and activity section, and I'll tap on Digital Wellbeing. Then I will tap on restricted mode. Then I'll tap on the red box that says turn off restricted mode. Now it's asking me to type in my 4-number passcode. I'll hit the red arrow now. And as you can see, restricted mode has been turned back off. But that's how you turn on and off restricted mode on the TikTok app. Thanks for watching.